All right, welcome back, guys, to another live stream. We're opening in a few minutes. The market's not really done much today. Good morning, K-Doc. How's it going? We've had core PCE data. It comes in line, which is not too bad. GDP came in at a miss. 0.5, forecast is 0.7. 3.7 compared to 3.8. Jobless claims come in higher than expected. So I think the market might interpret that as good news. Lower inflation and higher jobs means more likelihood of rate cuts. And the market hasn't really gone anywhere today. It really hasn't in the Asia and London session, which means we could be setting up for a really nice session today in New York. Yeah, we might get a nice session. So we've got levels down here that I'm looking to long. We'll have to see what happens here. And there's a really nice level I like on ES as well, which is this level here at 67.26. If we can get down there, that'll be a really nice level. That'll be the 0.5 of the 12-hour imbalance that we've got. So I really like that level. Really nice level. But I think we can support before then. I think ultimately we do come down here and retrace some of this. Maybe not. I think the market probably likes this this data that we've just received. So we could fly today. We could fly. In which case we're gonna have to see. If we take out these previous day highs and we blast through here, then we could look for a pullback to go long. But we'll have to see how this goes. What you don't want to see is just a spike up and then down like this. That could also happen. What I want to see is a convincing break and then a back test that I can get long from, and then we get a trend day on our hands. So either that or we drop to here and we look for longs from here. If that doesn't work, then there's the 0.5 of the imbalance, which is down at 687 levels. So yeah, the plan is in motion. Now we just want to see what happens. It looks monster right now. Yo, Paige, how's it going? Looks really bullish. How's the chat saying? What's the chat saying? All right, we're open. Yeah, we might finally get a nice New York session because Asia session, London session really went nowhere. So let's see what happens. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that would see the 0.5 here. That would be such an A. That's an A+ for me. This pivot's the strongest. I would love that, but I'm not sure we're going to get it. We've got some gamma above the previous day highs and right next to the value area low here. Well, I think this might pump for a bit. Okay. Yeah, basically a flat open. What's up, K-Doc? Good morning, Tiki. How you doing? Nice rejection from that gamma level, by the way. Really nice. Yeah, they refreshed. I refreshed them. These are the refreshed levels. Yeah. Look at the rejection from it. That's crazy. It's beautiful. It looks heavy as well. Looks like it's got a lot of juice left yet. To the downside. Yeah, so we're taking out the daily high. Now we're probably going to come and take the daily low, 950s. Yeah, down here. Yeah, what a rejection. I think, Tiki, we probably need these levels a little bit earlier. Maybe like 5 or 10 minutes early. We're at the VWAP. And the session point and control. So this probably will get a bounce. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, market's rolling off the VWAP and the point of control here. Yeah, a lot of big longs are coming in. It's clustered, yeah. Gamma's very clustered today, like the middle walling profile, yeah. That's probably why we've got a pretty muted Asia session. I feel like this is going to be a pretty nice session. Let's see though. We'll see. I still expect another move down here. It's Thursday as well, so Thursdays, you know what we say about Thursdays. Thursdays are good, says Kado. I don't like Thursdays. Usually get very extreme moves on a Thursday, and that's mainly to the downside. But today I think the market might be saved because of that jobless claims news and the core PCE as well. So I think maybe the market might be okay. Yeah, FOMC, but yeah, maybe FOMC, but it was just the minutes. It wasn't the actual FOMC meeting. Yeah, this is trying to turn bullish. They're trying to turn this 30-minute candle. They're trying to flip it green. I still favor the move down though. Do you have any other news today? Wholesale inventories. I don't think that's a big deal. And tomorrow we've got a CPI, so yeah, a big one tomorrow. WASD report. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Salazar in control? Yeah. But for how long though? Yeah, because this could pump at any point right now. I don't know. I still expect the move down, but we'll see. Probably gonna chop his way down, like a bit like yesterday. Look at this thing. It's getting bullish again. ES doing. ES looks bullish. Oops. Yes, looks like a monster right now. Yeah, yes, looks really, really pumpy. Yeah, this is probably gonna go. Yes, looks insane. Yeah. Yeah, you got the previous day value area high sitting on this gamma level on ES, so maybe it's gonna go up there and test that. That's why it looks like it's heading. It looks insanely bullish right now. Yeah, I think bulls have taken control. That's for sure. Yeah. And Q about to make another high. Yep, just made a new high, NQ. Flipped the whole 30-minute candle bullish. This is probably going to keep going here. Don't be looking for any shorts, guys. It looks insanely bullish. That was a bad trap. Yeah, it's gonna keep going here. Oh, the S&P has a target here as well, 6,800. So this thing could fly, man. This thing could really fly. All right, we're getting a bit of a move down. Rejection of that, pretty much that gamma level again. But they're buying it back up again. Yeah, I've seen this before. It's probably gonna make a new high now. I've seen this before. Yeah, exactly. Rain traders are shorted, yeah. Hopefully it comes down. I really want a nice flush down into these levels. Now, the 30-minute candle's now turned red again. Slam it. Yeah, that's a nice push down. Keep going, NQ. Don't let it go here. Keep pressing on it. VWAP support again. Press on it, NQ. Go. Yeah, they're supporting again. Interesting. I want to see it retest 6809. Yeah, and you're gonna go long. Not bad. Really nice. This is gonna be your long setup, yeah? 6809. NQ's tanking right now. ES is trying to hold. Yeah, ES is holding and NQ's really collapsing. Oof. That's beautiful. Yeah, ES is just holding firm. SPX ain't moving. I do think NQ is going to find some support at 990 here. Could get a move back up to at least the point of control, maybe higher, and then drop. ES is monster right now. Look at that bounce on ES. Let's take a look at some other markets. Bitcoin's pulling back down to 70,700. And gold is rallying. And so is silver. US oil's back at 100. This is not good. After that big massive fall on oil, VIX is 21, so nothing crazy on VIX right now. And the US 10 years spiking, the dollar's down. RTY is same as NQ. It's not giving you a 6809 page. Okay, 6809, 6806. 6806 is here. You want it to fall down here and you're gonna pop along. It's probably alright. It's probably decent. I don't trust the bears though. They just suck. Bears never make money, man. So with the bulls. Are you long right now, Paige? A minus B now instead of an A plus, you kept dropping. So what is this setup though? Like this setup, what do you see here that makes this like a good setup for you? Like, what is it? A retest of the daily open? Is that why? Not yet, still waiting. Okay. AM orb. Okay, I don't know what an orb is, but yeah, there goes NQ. Few more minutes until the looking like range traders got it right. Yeah, lowest target. Yeah, opening range breakouts first 15. Okay, doesn't I think TJR or someone like that trades that opening range, or I don't know, some Scarface guy, Scarface trades or something. He trades the 15-minute candle. He thinks that's a very important level. The 15-minute break. Yeah, you know what I mean, right? I've seen one of his videos. Yeah, he claims to make millions by trading 15-minute opening breakouts. Okay, mate. All right. Yeah, you make millions by trading an opening 15-minute breakout. I believe you. I really believe you. I really believe you, man. You make mills. Just show up in the first 15 minutes, play the breakout. Happy days. You're a multi-millionaire. All right, 68.15. Big bounce on ES. Yeah, range traders right now have got it right, but I think it's going to break out in either direction, and I think it's going to be to the downside. I think they're going to test this yesterday's expansion today. I think they're going to test it and come down and test it towards 0.5 here and NQ. I do think this is going to eventually break down and test this today. That's my bias for today anyways. I do think we will support here, but eventually I do see the market coming down, dropping and testing this imbalance, and then maybe moving higher. Yeah. ES could get here first and then drop. We'll see. Our new 30-minute candle just opened. ES just doesn't want to come down. NQ's moving nice. But there is a potential trade from here back up to fill this imbalance. 990 to about 60. Give me a stack, guys. What's up, Laughter? How you doing, brother? Nice to see you, man. What do you mean you're in YM? Short or long? YM, huh? Check it out. Long. Okay. Nice, Laughter. I don't know anything about this index. Is this at all-time highs? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. And clearly sees broken that downtrend though, right? So Laughter's in a long. All right. Nice, Laughter. Euro USD, huh? NQ just pumped. So yeah, front run the value area low. Now it's gonna go and fill this imbalance. Then we'll see what happens. ES looks like a monster right now. It's trying to go for the highs. Yeah, this target still remains on 68.30, 68.29. That's crazy, Laughter. US oil at 100. Let's check on any news. Okay, IMF guys is talking right now. Swing trading is a tip, says Laughter. Yes, sir, it is. sure is, Laughter. Yeah, so we filled the imbalance. Now NQ wants to drop a bit. Risk right now is garbage. Can't trade this. PM's been really good lately. Maybe I'll trade the PM today. I haven't traded the PM in like a week, to be honest. Forex Euro has the most volume bounce logo. Okay, so London session is the best. Sunday night was good, yeah. ES keeps making higher lows. It's on a Tory trend line right now. Look at this, yeah. Tory trend line, ES and NQ's at the value area low. Is that confluence? Yeah, NQ might get a bounce here. Yeah, looking that way. Wow. And Q might start ripping faces here. Tiki, I think you might be right, guy. I think you might be right. Might be any piece. Yeah. Dude, we didn't get any missiles today. Which is amazing. So yeah. That's really good. Yeah, I think Tiki, you might be right. You might be right today. It could just be a range day, man. Yeah, it looks like a scalper's paradise right now. After the big day we had yesterday, yeah, we might just consolidate inside here and trade within previous day high and low. I certainly know it's not going down to previous day lows. Not certainly, but with a very high degree of probability. Yeah, sellers are trying, yeah. I think NQ is going to at least break the daily low, at least. That only makes sense. It's no follow through though. Every time it looks like it's going, it just reverses. Okay, 68.10 on ES. Broken Tory's trend line of higher lows. Value area is compressed, so Page, you might get a trade from here now with that 68.6 level. It's almost at the value area low. Might get a nice trade off it. Watching to see, yeah. I mean, this could be a trade. This could be a trade. This could be NQ sweeping the daily low and ES hitting the value area low here, and yeah, that could be a setup. I could see. Come on, NQ, keep going. Let's go, says Page. Are you looking to long this then, or what? Oh, look at that. Right off of your level. 68.06. Nice bounce. Wow, what a bounce. For how long it needs to hold. No, I think a sweep on NQ makes sense. Let NQ sweep and ES to come down into this lower levels here. Then maybe that's a long. Well, this is not something I'm interested in right now. That's still a long way down. Yeah. What's up, Sambi? How you doing, my brother? Nice to see you, dude. Hope you're up. I haven't taken a trade. I haven't taken a trade yet. So I'm flat for the day. I hope you're up today. I'm sure you are. This has been pretty good for scalping though, eh? All right. Hey, did you go long? ATTP? You're short, I assume, Sambi? I think it's gonna sweep the daily low though, Sambi, here. 950s. Not yet? Okay. Let's see. I might go for it. I might go for it. If ES comes down into these levels, yeah, I might go for it. And NQ sweeps the low. $980, yeah. That's your TP, you got it. Nice, Sambi. Okay. You want to see it break 68.10? Okay. $15 looking good for a kiss, says Sambi. So is that retest you want? So you're in? Paige, you're in along right now? Yeah, hit the like and share on your social media, guys. Thank you very much for the support. Almost. Waiting to make sure we hold above 60.10. Okay. So your trade is probably going to look like, let's have a look, 68.10. You're going to long from probably 68.12 then, I'm assuming. You're going to target the highs. And your stop is probably going to be under this low, right? So it looks like that. Nice long 50% fib setup, says Tiki. Middle of the range, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that is Page's trade here. My long would look like this. If I was going to long it, yes. My long would be from about here to here. My stop would be about here. That's what my long would look like on ES. Looking good though, looking bullish. Looks like buyers are stepping in. Buyers are really getting aggressive here. We got new 30-minute candle opening in 7 minutes. I scalped that long. I have one more trade in me, says Sambi. So you've been trading for you traded London session. London session didn't really move though, dude. Hardly moved in London. So how many trades have you taken already? Crazy guy, man. Laughter says patience equals Satan on hands. Yes, sir. Raw fear from lows to highs. That's who's buying right now. Yeah. Asian last night. Wow. You're something else, Zombie, bro. You are special, bro. You are so special. I'm telling you, man. Very, very special trader. Seven trades, yeah. Patient 80% of the time, yeah. That's what it is. I haven't taken a single trade. I'm just waiting. I'm not liking anything I see yet. Yesterday we got screwed because this news, man, about the Strait and all that shit just kept coming in over and over and over again. It was just non-stop news, man. It was crazy yesterday. The idea was right though. I was right in what I said. I did not expect a move back down. I expected a mean reversion trade back to the upside yesterday, and that's what did transpire in the end. It just came a lot deeper than we thought yesterday because of that stupid news that kept flooding in. It's 15 on the NQ, yeah. I'm looking for NQ to break the daily low before this looks of any interest to me. Selling off now, NQ. I feel confident, use margin. Nice, Sambi. Empty area, yeah. Yeah, you did well there, Paige, not to go in on there. Yeah, laughter. That is true, but I'll be leaving the Middle East soon, so yeah. I'll be watching it as well, from far away, just like you. Yeah, good call, Paige. Really good call on that. You wanted to see the bull step in. That makes sense. If I was going to long ES, it would be from here. But not until NQ sweeps this low. So I wanna see NQ sweep this low and then possibly take a long. I want to see NQ sweep this daily low. Go NQ. We'll stepping in. $90 TP, nice Zambi. Yeah, it looks like you're probably gonna get it. Trail the stop, yeah. Nice Zambi. Your stop is on the daily low. You're in from 970, right? 970 to 998. So you're in from 90 TP. Yeah, 970 you're in from, right? Yeah, it looks like you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Yeah, you're gonna get it. Trailed it, yeah. Stop at 80, nice. Yeah, let's see if ES makes it back up to point of control. I think it's gonna hang on until NQ sweeps the low. New 30-minute candle just open as well. Come on, NQ. Just sweep. Just sweep NQ, come on. Oh, NQ. Oh, this sucks. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna do it. You're gonna short? Nice, MB. $9.50, yeah. Under the low, yeah. What do you stop loss be on this? I don't know. It just doesn't look like they want to take the low yet. Maybe it's not ready. They do have a bunch of shorts trapped here as well, so be careful. 15. Thank you, Laughter. How was the long on YM? I would be a little bit cautious on this short though. I don't know. It's got a bit of a trappy feeling to it. They might push this back up to VWAP. And ES might push up to that point of control. This could rip bears apart right now. So just be careful on that. Nice move, nice move. Just sweep NQ. This is weird. 53 contract long just stepped in. Out of the trade, yeah. Nice, Laughter. Yeah, look how dirty it is. They got short traps at the lows here. Let's see what they do. Let's bring this screen over, show you. Oops. If they pull away from these guys, it's gonna rip. Shorted for a 60 TP. Nice, Sanby. Tiki's call wall. I don't see any call wall. Yeah, they're pulling away. They're starting to pull away. He's going to start covering. These guys will start covering. Yeah, look at this. If they get, the further it gets away, the more bullish this is going to get. It's going to fly high. This is going to start flying. Yeah, look at this. All right. Okay. 25 or 006 is the level where she's going to try and get to. All this imbalance here. Yeah, they've got him trapped. You see all the shorts here. I love this profile, man. I love this profile. This is why I told you to be careful on that short, Sambi. I knew they're going to do this. I could see the trap coming. Let's look at ES. Yeah, look at that now. See? That would have been a much better trade on ES. Nice, Sambi. I still think they're gonna come up to at least 25 or 5, fill this this imbalance here in this profile, and then thanks, Laughter. If I lose, it will be my third loss, and I'll call it a day. Just holding short still. Nice, Sambi. I think ES is going to run now. Probably to my target up here, maybe even higher. Who knows? We'll see though. Check Discord. Oh, nice, man. Yeah. There you go. Nice, nice call there, K-Dog. And you had confluence of this, all these stuck shorts at the bottom here. It still doesn't look amazing. Still looks like they're trying to say sell this, but We'll see. I do think there's a move on till 25.05. Minus 359 now is my entry. Okay. Or trail stop when it reaches a 60. It's miles past the 60. 60 is down here. All right, give us the top of that. Yeah. Yeah, bulls look like they're stepping in heavy here. Still holding the short. Nice, Ambi. So you're short from 60? Or 70? You gotta commit, yeah. You gotta trade what you see. That is definitely correct. 975, okay. You're only down like 15 points or so. It's no big deal. I think the market is going to fill this imbalance before it decides to maybe pull back down. Yeah, it's going for that imbalance. Yeah, it's filled it. There she goes, flying now. Yeah. Hope you got out of that, Sambi. Hope you're alright, man. Yeah, that was the trap though. That was the trap. Now the imbalance is filled. Nice, Sambi. So yeah, these tools are good, man. These tools are good. They keep me patient. They keep me waiting. I don't do anything stupid. ES looks bullish. It's probably got a little bit more fuel to the upside. So I don't know. Paige, are you trying to get long again on ES? But imbalance has been filled now on the profile. So yeah, maybe she comes back down. Who knows? But we've got a full profile now, so yeah, who knows? Yeah, I still see NQ coming down up until this point of control, maybe 2530s, which is near the VWAP. Took a 1.5k loss on 2 constants, but I'm in green 9k for the day. Yeah, so you can't complain, bro. 9k for the day is no joke. Yeah, so we put on this these gamma levels. We had a gamma level Large gamma, absolute gamma. It must have been this one. Is this one? No. 3, 4, 5. No. Absolute gamma. Oh, core wall. Okay. No, Tiki, this ain't working for me, dude. This is not working for me. If you're still in here, this is not working. Anyways. But, K-Dog seems to have it. Lebanon president says solution is truce and direct negotiations with Israel. Okay. Yeah, there's ES. There's a spike on ES. Let me see. Absolute gamma and core wall, 93%. Okay. And absolute gamma. Like 85. Yeah, I'm not sure. Tiki is not showing up for me. Oh, I reduced the strength. In settings, it filters by strength and by number of levels. I'll set the percentage to like 25. Okay. So minimum core wall, minimum strength, 25. $25, $25, $25. Nothing. Put walls come up. Five, 5. Okay. Damn. Yeah, that's too many for me. It's 75, 75, 75. Okay. Yeah, there's the kiss on the point of control, the 30s. That's nice. Yes. Yep, there you go. That's full TP on that long. It would have been full TP. So that's the long I would have taken on ES. It's done. I didn't take the trade though. Let's see spot gamma had it. Spot gamma had a smaller gamma level like you guys as well. Alright. wonder how Cyprus is doing. I don't know, dude. Cyprus is a nice place, dude. I've been to Cyprus. It's really nice. The NQ's ripping. Wow. Yeah. Rip, rip, rip. Yeah, kind of expected, isn't it? After a massive breakout of a previous range, that we're gonna range around for a bit. We had like a 4% day yesterday. What was this? From bottom to top. 3.7% day. So yeah, we're definitely gonna consolidate for a bit. V-shaped recovery says after. Yeah, they trapped the shorts at the bottom. They're ripping them apart now. This is all short covering. That's why you get the V-shape. 65 before 12. What time is it in? What, in the next hour? Yeah, that's possible. It's probably going to go back towards there. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, 10:55. Yeah, an hour. Yeah, why not? It's probably going to do it right now. Look at this thing. Might hit 65 right now. Took a long. Nice, man. Yeah, but it looks like a range day. It doesn't look like a day that I'm gonna be getting involved in the market. But yeah, at least we read the market well today. There was no news, no fucking around with that shit like we did yesterday. So glad, you know, at least it's still trading somewhat decently according to Orderflow. So you're done for the day. Let me stop trading. I'll just keep seeing my playbook coming in. Yeah, you're gonna see stuff that you wouldn't normally see if you carry on just staring at the charts. This is what happens, man. You just stick around and then, you know, you end up seeing something that you look back and you think maybe that wasn't the trade that should have been taken. That's why I like to have a pre-market game plan and try to stick with it. But Tiki, yeah, this gamma level was a monster gamma level. Done for the day. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get out of here as well. There's no real setups for me today. This is probably just gonna keep ranging. Maybe it goes back up to the high, spikes to the value area high. Look at ES now, absolutely ripping. So ES is probably gonna make his way down, way up to 68.30, and then maybe drop back down. But there's no. Maybe I'll look for a short up here if I see something. But it's gonna take a while to get up there. But yeah, I'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna get going here. I think that's it from me. But thank you all for joining, and yeah, appreciate the likes, guys. Good stream. I'll see you guys in smooth stream in a minute. But yeah, thanks for joining, and see you tomorrow, same time. Peace.